Alright, so we're here in a misty Sainsbury's car park to meet the FN2 crew, the Southwest FN2 crew. So yeah, just I think we're not sure if we're waiting for someone else or what, but warming the old engine up. We have lots of nice FN2s, mostly red, best colour. We've got some newer Civics over there, but we won't talk about them. And we also have some very confused shoppers. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Quite fitting for the land of the rising sun. Yes, we've got a lovely bunch of red FN2s and two black ones. I think there's a grey one somewhere as well. Got a nice little mixture opposite us. Nice little Integra S2000. GTRs. Yeah, it's a bit of a mixed bag.
Hello, it's ModFix.
Alright,
mate.
How you doing, alright?
Good, yeah. Are you on his
Not too
channel?
bad.
Yeah, look. Oh no, this is weird.
Can you not like cross the channels?
Cross-channel, cross-contamination. Oh, it's too painful. Yeah, we're looking at cars. There's other YouTubers here. What are you liking today, ModFix? What have you seen?
Well, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Won't tell it to say it to his face, though.
No, get a big head about it.
Get big head.
Have you thought about putting some big wheels on it?
They call me Cowhead.
Hi-ho!
What do you think then, Drew?
That's lovely, isn't it?
Done alright, didn't we?
Really nice.
They still need to sort suspension out. A bit high, but
Bit high?
can't go any lower.
Oh, the back?
Get the camber arms.
Or just the back, or?
Yeah, the front's pretty much
Yeah.
spot on, I think. The back's a little bit high. But it is what it is at the moment. God, these things that keep coming in are unbelievable, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what half of them are, but...
Well, I know the silver one is the original Skyline, I think,
Yeah.
isn't it? CTR.
I know that's one of those Datsun, like the original, what's it called, like Nissan 350 granddaddy, innit?
Oh yeah, I suppose it would be looking at that. I love a station wagon.
That's pretty cool, that, whatever that
That's
is.
amazing. It's beautiful.
I don't know where to look in it.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It really is.
Feels a bit pornographic.
It is. It is mental.
It's just immaculate, isn't it?
Yeah.
35 minutes of just that.
Yeah.
I mean,
bit of music.
probably be the best video
Bit
on
of
my channel.
music.
Yeah.
Oh, pepperoni. Winning at life.
Oh, a spicy one.
Bit of a nano.
Got a 5-pack in the boot.
Could I have an autograph?
Dude, don't look at it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we just noticed your badge.
No, this is awesome.
Yeah, but some guy I found on Facebook. But here's my war wound. So was it 2 years ago now? I think I left here, and this engine bolt, mount bolt sheared and sent my whole engine into the
bloody hell.
locally made. I thought I'd broken it.
Wasn't there a write-off when you bought it? Or was it?
Yeah. That was roughly the smell. Yeah, it's a write-off. I think it's that side. Yeah, because that's like doesn't line up at all. So I had quite a hefty whack in that side.
So someone else had the whack and then you bought it?
Yeah. I didn't whack it. On me.
It's the reddest Milano red I've ever seen.
It really is,
I would
yeah.
go as far as to say. It's really good.
Cheers.
Yeah, it tastes great.
Got these made up about 2 days ago.
That's a clearance.
Oh, did you?
I thought my clearance was bad.
That's a hair. Wow.
As long as it don't touch, that's all that matters.
That's it.
You seen Adam C about?
No, is he here, is he?
Yeah.
Drew
Oh, I haven't
stalked him.
seen
I stalked him for about 10 minutes. Just filming the same stuff as you.
You even got a professional watcher?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
Wow. How long are you here for, Drew?
2 weeks.
He's very tall. Handsome boy you are, Drew.
Oh, thank you.
Handsome boy.
Call him Ivan Drago.
Oh, yeah. Fine.
You got no inspirational words? Come on, give me some. It's like when you
when you're doing a race, don't hit the safety car.
Right.
That's my inspirational quote.
Yeah, that's
put any
good.
inspirational stuff for the ModFix channel.
Always come prepared. That's it.
Oh, that's very
I
good.
love it when you stuck the camera on my face earlier and you go, I just can't remember what you said. How's it going? I just went, yeah.
And who is this Drew? And he's like literally his food. He's like, "You all right?" And he's like, "Yeah."
And here we have Adam C in his natural habitat.
I was looking at a wide body Mazda in green.
Alright, so back home, what an absolutely awesome day. Great cars, great people, yeah, really good time. I'd like to say a big thank you to the FN2 crew Southwest for firstly having me on their stand, and secondly for just being a really nice bunch of people and really welcoming, so thank you very much. It's the first time I've had my car at a show on a stand, which was awesome. I mean, I love Castle Combe. You all know that I come here a lot to do track days, but it's just, yeah, it's a great atmosphere. The weather was perfect. So roll on the next one. I'll hopefully be doing a lot more car shows from now on, starting next year, as well as the normal track days and just general mods and what have you. So I finally managed to meet some people in the flesh that I've been chatting to online. There's Robstervtec, Ben and Chrissy from Cowabunga Car Diaries. There was Ben's better half, Rachel, there as well. Ed and Alex from Sulknation. Steve Marley was there. Just what a great bunch of people, really. Everyone's really sound, really nice. The only negative for the day was that I forgot to give Robstervtec his complimentary exhaust, which is still sitting over here. So Rob, if you just ping me your address, and I'll put it in the post for you. No worries. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. Hit the old notifications bell. Chuck a comment down below, maybe if you saw my car there or me wandering about aimlessly. Thanks again, I'm just waffling a bit now, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.